Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Nargis and task assigned to me is Histopathology of Syringoma. If you look at this slide, the epidermis appears normal while the main pathology lies here in the dermis. In dermis, there are multiple rounded structures which are representing the eccrine ducts. In between these structures is pinkish stroma, which is representing the fibrotic sclerotic stroma. Let's have a closer look. This slide is showing the double layer of epithelium around these ductal structures. And if you can see, these lining cells are also making nests and strands in the dermis. If you have a look at this characteristic structure, it is the tadpole appearance or the pestlet eye pattern which is seen in the Syringoma slide. This is even closer look where you can comment on the nuclei as well. There are rounded nuclei, which means the lining epithelium is cuboidal epithelium. Also, the collagen fibers which are swollen are visible here, representing the sclerotic or fibrotic stroma. The differentials which come into your mind looking at these slides are trichoepithelioma and microcystic adnexal carcinoma. How do you differentiate is, in trichoepithelioma, the rounded structures are representing the keratin cysts, and you can see the keratin, the layers of keratin inside these cysts. Additionally, when you look at the epithelium there, it would be basaloid and will resemble more the slides of basal cell carcinoma. In microcystic adnexal carcinoma, you will also see the keratin cysts. Additionally, the pathology will go deeper into subcutis, and the lining epithelium there would be squamoid rather than this cuboidal. Thank you.